Alright, as you can see, I've got a Superduty truck here. This is an F450. It's a 2003, and the shift indicator is off. And you try to shift it, but the actual indicator is not functioning. So I already took off the fuse cover down here below. You know, it's just the 4 screws and whatnot. And what I did was, I don't know, hopefully you can see here, there's this with the dial, and the cable is actually snapped right here. So what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna try, see, it's actually supposed to get up onto that little hook there to indicate what gear you're in. So what I'm gonna do is I have an electrical, I guess, connector. I'm gonna cut this off, this little sleeve here, and then I'm just gonna loop the cable through, crimp it, and we'll give it a shot, see what happens. Better than tearing the whole dash apart and whatnot, especially since the cable, I guess I can get down here like this on the cable, and as you see, I can pull on that cable, so it's still working. It's attached at the top, it's just not attached on the bottom there because the actual loop came loose and came off. So alright, so we're gonna cut this off, crimp it to that cable, and we'll see what happens here. Hopefully this fixes it. I think it will. Be right back. Alright, so another thing I did, you see now where the cable actually came out of the little crimp that it came with. So I can crimp this, what I did was I just took some vice grips to pull the cable back out, so then I don't, you know, I only got 2 hands here and it's kind of hard to hold everything, record everything. So, but now you see it's back on park. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here with my crimper. I already crimped this. So hopefully you can see that. Kind of hard to see, I know. Alright, so. Alright, here we go. Alright, so see that little tab there? That's still on there? What I'm going to do, feed this. I can grab onto it. Probably should grab a needle nose or something, but it's so tiny. Figure look at it on the other side of that. Yeah, see, I'm on the other side of it now. I crimp it down because it's already got the piece on there, right? So it's not going to slip off of there. Alright, so that's crimped. So that ain't coming off of there. Now I just gotta hook it up. There's like a hook up there and I gotta hook it to. So let's see the hook up there, and this is gonna just hook onto that. So now, here, can you hold this? Put that in there. You see it's gotta look up that way. So now I can undo this, come up here. Now that's a ding. See that it's hooked on there now? Okay. Then I come up here, go to the dash. Oh, like a dream, it's working again. It's a little off, but there's a way to adjust that with that little nut. So then this nut here, you can adjust it. Alright, so see, I'm turning the nut, and look at the dash here, look. I don't want to go too crazy because I don't want to break anything else, but that's, there you go. That's way better than what it was. I'd have to call that a win right there. Right? Well, we're still a little off. So we still got a little adjustments to do, but you know, that's pretty daggone close versus being broke. So if you're broke and you need a way to fix it so it ain't broke, there you go. All right, happy trails.